represent a beauty brand and are looking to take your marketing strategy to the next level, you are not alone. The beauty industry is a fast-moving and ever-evolving market. This is reflected in the fact that global beauty market value is expected to reach $463 billion by 2027. The high demand means more and more budgets will go into marketing beauty products to hundreds of millions of buyers across channels. When it comes to marketing, beauty brands are adopting innovative methods to reach their target market and make an impact with value-added content. This is especially applicable for today's omnichannel beauty products, which people often see and buy online but use tangibly or physically. Moreover, the purpose of marketing is no longer limited to selling beauty products. Modern-day buyers want more than product information. They want to know the story behind it, the good, the bad, and the ugly. This is where brands are harnessing product QR codes. What is it? These are QR codes on product packaging. Product QR codes can help you upgrade your existing marketing strategy or build a new one to match modern-day requirements. Consumers are becoming more informed and curious, and with QR codes in your beauty brand's marketing strategy, you could open doors to a more immersive and engaging product experience. Are you curious to know how to do that? Let's delve into it without much delay. Let's look at 5 ways to market beauty products with QR codes. Did you know that beauty samples are the 3rd largest driver for purchasing full-size products? Beauty product samples are a gateway to get consumers to try your product. Many brands hand out free samples in stores or give them away as freebies with purchases. Some popular brands even let you buy samples from their website. Since there's limited space on a beauty sample's packaging, you can add a QR code that links to a landing page or PDF displaying the ingredients along with their skin benefits. Prompt consumers to scan and sign up for your website's newsletter or follow your brand on social media. The best part is, with Beacon Stack QR codes on beauty products, there is no limit to the amount of information you can share with consumers. According to Bond's loyalty report, 70% of consumers are likelier to recommend a brand with a good loyalty program. Traditional loyalty programs involve filling out a form at the billing counter and a long wait time to receive your membership card. But with QR codes, you can make this whole process so much easier and hassle-free. For instance, adding QR codes on your packaging allow customers to scan and enter their details swiftly and easily to become a member. Providing these personalized brand experiences to your loyal consumers leads them to advocate for your brand and increase positive word of mouth. Build credibility to your customers by adding a review QR code to your product. Customers rely heavily on online reviews when making a purchase. With a QR code on your beauty products, you can take your reviews up a notch and make readily available in-store when customers need them most. For instance, on scanning, the customer sees reviews from other consumers who battled acne and how your product helped them with before and after pictures. This eases their concerns and helps them make a quicker and better purchase decision. This minor upgrade can add value to the retail experience and establish your brand's authenticity and build trust with your customers. With over 4.2 billion users worldwide, social media serves as an ideal platform for community building and visual engagement. Consumers posting about your product on social media give you user-generated content that helps in nurturing existing consumers and gaining new ones. You can embed a social media QR code on beauty products with an action-driven frame text offering a reward. Customers can simply scan the QR code and share their experiences with your product on social media. Or refer your product to, let's say, 5 friends. Providing these rewards to consumers nudges them to take action and promote your brand. This grabs the attention of potential consumers who want to try your product. This helps your brand reduce marketing spend, foster brand loyalty, and create new leads. A lot of beauty brands rely on third-party retailers. With a Beacon Stack QR code on your product, you acquire first-party or brand-owned data that helps you understand your customers better. Data such as the number of scans, locations, and devices used when your consumers scan the code. After assessing the QR code campaign performance on your Beacon Stack dashboard, you can optimize your listings on third-party retail websites to cater to your customers better and drive repeat purchases. With a Beacon Stack dynamic QR code, you can switch between various campaigns, such as a tutorial, an AR experience, or a beauty quiz. Engage your customers after they purchase your product and turn first-time buyers into loyal customers. The first-party data from QR codes also comes in handy for retargeting consumers. Retarget those bounce visitors via Facebook, Google Ads, or any other medium so you can take advantage of potential customers. Beaconstack QR code generator helps you stay relevant in today's mobile-first market by providing consumers with an interactive experience. Making a QR code for your product with Beaconstack is a matter of mere minutes. Let's begin. Log on to the Beaconstack dashboard and select Create QR Code. Select your dynamic QR code type. Select your template, or just create your QR code from scratch. You can customize the QR code's eyes, add a logo, pick a data pattern, and add a background and a call to action frame according to your brand identity. Lastly, test and download your QR code. Your QR code is ready to be deployed in your products. In today's mobile-first market, beauty brands must have a digital marketing strategy that engages consumers on their mobile devices. That's where Beaconstack's QR code solution comes in. Beaconstack has been utilized by top beauty brands like Mesa and Devanis to help them digitize their marketing strategies. Our QR code solution is scalable, affordable, and equipped with an inbuilt analytics module to help your brand grow significantly. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for Beaconstack's free trial with the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to this awesome channel for all things QR codes. That's it for today. Until next time.